very delighted to be here as a part of this opening ceremony of 20th Kushal Tennis Open. I'm really grateful to Sujit Rai for inviting me for this momentous occasion. I'm myself a sports enthusiast. I regularly play tennis here, and this ground I have seen it has a lot of from last few days, a few months, lot of improvements have taken place here. Lot of activities are going on here. There are a lot of tournaments arranged, even at the national level, international level. I've seen players coming from Nepal, Myanmar, Bangladesh, etc. So I'm really delighted to be here, and I'm seeing very many youngsters in front of me. I only advise them that though studies is very important, equally important is sports. Never give up sports. It's a way of life. It's a lifestyle. It should be a part of your lifestyle for the whole of your life. And we, as a Tripura police, we are celebrating 150 years of anniversary. So on this occasion, I would like to give some message also from Tripura police. Uh, with regard to drugs, I'm seeing there is a lot of drug seizures in Tripura, and a lot of youngsters are getting into drugs. So I advise all the youngsters to stay away from drugs, and if you have any information, you can approach us anywhere, anytime. Police is ready to take action. And even on the traffic front, we are seeing a lot of accidents just because people are not wearing the helmet. So many youngsters are in front of me. I'm advising them, please kindly do wear helmet whenever you go, and please advise your parents also to wear a helmet. It really saves your life. And once again, I thank everyone, and let this tournament be a huge success.